I love that video. It never gets old. So Roberto, you there?
Yes, sir.
Awesome. Well, welcome everybody to our kind of an informal webinar. Tonight, I'm giving everybody a sneak preview into everything we've been working on so quietly, kind of dripping a little bit of information out there. For all of you who are new tonight, Webtalk is the world's first all-in-one networking platform that actually pays you to make the switch. We offer both personal and professional networking in one place. You can manage and control your relationships. We offer free contact management and free social syndication. It's a very powerful platform that gives you back control of your online life in social media, your brand, your reputation, your social credibility, and your social capital. So we give you full control over your news and over your data. Now, the power of this is we put over $10 million now into the product. We've been in development since 2015, and we are coming to a head here on our beta testing. Now, for those unfamiliar with beta testing, it is a live testing process before we open the platform to the world that allows our early members to help us test and help us improve the product and really create something awesome for the world to use. Now, over the last 2 years, we've been rolling out each one of our products in a beta launch so we can test it, improve it, and move on to the next product, and then have our whole suite live to the world on every device before we actually open the platform up to the world. So tonight we're going to look at the final update to our profiles, which is the universal profile. It's the first two-in-one profile, and let's go through here, and I'll skip ahead so you can actually see that. Let's control your news, contact management. Here it is. All right, so the universal profiles are very, very powerful. They allow you to showcase both your personal and professional life to targeted audiences. The free contact management is a virtual Rolodex, so you can manage your friends, your family, separate from your colleagues and your vendors, service providers, so forth. So whether it's for your home or your business. And there's also a business contact manager built right into the platform. So no matter why you network online, whether it's personal, professional, or business, you can do it all in Webtalk. That is the power of our platform. So tonight we're going to cover quite a few things. You know, if you haven't heard about us, we've been featured all over the web and on TV, in the media, ABC News, Authority Magazine, Entrepreneur Magazine, Home Business Magazine, Yahoo, and many, many more. We've been ranked in the top 100 startups in the world, including the top #2 startups by the Tech Tribune. If you go to Alexa.com, while still in beta testing, we're already in the top 8,000 sites in the world, and that's out of 400 million. So we're already pretty up there in the ranks. We are growing very, very quickly, and it's invite only. So you have to be invited by a current member to join during the beta. Now, today, I'm actually going to unveil a couple of surprises. So we've been working over the last 18 months on our iOS and Android apps. So we'll give you a little bit of sneak preview into that. And we'll also give you a sneak preview into the beta rewards app. So right now we have the MVP of our rewards app live. MVP is minimum viable product. What that means is We tested the fintech, so all the financial technology, tracking referrals, tracking revenue, making sure commissions are distributed, starting off with only a couple ways to get paid, but we're going to be adding more ways to get paid through our rewards program. So there's a lot to cover, and we're going to try to do it as quickly as possible. So one of the big things that I want to start with now is going through the app and what makes us different. And then that way I can talk more about the up and coming upgrades to the platform. So as I already discussed, it's enterprise grade contact management, personal and professional network segmentation, and also newsfeed data controls and social syndication. If you don't know what social syndication is, it's simply just posting to Webtalk and allowing that post to also syndicate to Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, and more applications all at the same time. So it saves you time, it saves you money because other tools cost you money to do that. We don't charge you for that. The profile we already covered. Contact management is, virtual Rolodex for personal, professional, business. And then your newsfeed has, again, social syndication, but it also has filters to jump between your personal and professional life anytime you want to without going to a different application. You can also jump to, what's trending, discover things that people are talking about or people with similar interests through our new Discover search, which is very powerful. It's kind of like a Instagram meets Pinterest. And then you've got the ability to search and turn your feed into either a video feed or a photo feed or a news feed or a files feed. So it's a 5-in-1 feed. So it's very, very powerful. And you can also search by keyword. So how we make money is very similar to LinkedIn. LinkedIn is free and they monetize through ads, but also when you want to get a premium service and upgrade to their premium subscriptions, which give you basically tools for lead generation, the ability to message other users, use your profile, allow you to do premium networking services. So we took that and we offered it now for a fraction of the cost of LinkedIn, but we also added in even more valuable features. We added in the ability to remove ads into our subscription, and we also added in premium contact management. So that's for businesses of all sizes. We also have some additional premium search features that we've integrated into our subscriptions, and they all start for as little as $8 a month. Now, advertising revenue right now varies because it all based on the amount of users you have and how much time they're spending on the site. As the community continues to grow on a daily basis, the amount of ad revenue per user increases by the amount of time they spend on the site and the amount of ads consumed. So, the more people who join, the more ad revenue we make. And today, Facebook and LinkedIn generate on average about $3 per user per month in advertising revenue. So it is feasible that we can get to that point, as we scale. Now, to talk about the rewards program and cover this as quickly as possible, there's multiple ways you can get paid with our rewards program. Our ad rewards is really vastly designed for content creators. If you're a content creator, whether you're a YouTuber or you're an Instagram influencer, or you're an influencer on any other platform, this platform is designed specifically to allow you to make a six-figure income from just sharing your content on Webtalk. So it's very similar to YouTube monetization. So we built it to where we're really rewarding content creators. Now with referral rewards, this is where it really gets attractive because whatever a content creator makes, you can make the same amount of money just by inviting them. So we give 10% of the revenue generated from ads to the content creators, but we also give 10% to the person who referred you. So if you're a content creator, now that can build up. If you're bringing in a lot of great content creators and they're making a good amount of money, you're going to make as much money as they're making because you've invited them. Now, the bonus rewards is a limited opportunity that we've designed for the early birds. And the early birds are you, the people who are seeing this right now who have joined Webtalk early and are willing to help us beta test, improve our products, and help us grow on an invite-only basis. We're offering up a tiered platform for additional bonus incentives. So there are things that are called multi-level affiliate programs, and we've integrated that model into referral rewards program. So it's kind of a hybrid between a multi-level affiliate program and a referral rewards program. Now, how that really works is if you invite your contacts to follow you on Webtalk or connect with you on Webtalk, and they're not a member yet, then and they sign up because you've invited them through your profile link or content that you've shared from Webtalk via text message or email, and they come back, they read the content, they decide they want to create an account. Well, they become your referral for life. So if they generate advertising revenue, subscription revenue, or any other revenue generated in the future, you have an opportunity to earn referral rewards from that because we're sharing up to 10% of our revenue with you. So the bonus rewards allows you to earn this through 5 degrees of separation. So if you invite somebody who joins for free, and they invite somebody who joins for free, and they invite somebody who joins for free, and they invite somebody who joins for free, again, this is all free, and they start generating advertising revenue just by using the platform, you can earn 10% of that revenue through 5 degrees of separation. This is very, very powerful. So think about if Facebook and LinkedIn are generating $3 per month per active daily user on the platform. So 10% of that would be about 30 cents. So if you're making 30 cents from the average person that you've invited to the platform, this isn't including top content creators. If you're making 30 cents a month from them and you invite 10 people, well, I mean, that's $3. It's $3 more than Facebook and LinkedIn are paying you. But that can really grow significantly if you earn the bonus rewards, because now those 10 people can invite 10 people, and they can invite 10 people, and they can invite 10 people. And imagine if it grows to 100,000 people and you're making 30 cents per user per month. When this thing gets to scale, that's an opportunity to make $30,000 a month for everybody joining for free and just making the switch to Webtalk. So again, this is a very, very powerful opportunity to make as much money or as little money as you want, because it's all free. There's no catch. This is a thank you for joining Webtalk, making the switch, and inviting everybody you know to do the same. So again, this is how you make money: ad rewards, referral rewards, and the limited opportunity. Again, there's only 1 million 5-level bonuses available, and they're all tiered. So you get more and more incentives for getting in earlier. We're going to talk about those tiers here soon when we debut the back office to the new rewards program. So I'll show you that. And we're hoping to try to get that launched by the end of the year. Here's Alfonso. Alfonso's been one of our top producing rewards members. And in his first full month, he made over $9,000 in rewards, which is just incredible. So, and this is all during the beta. This is just getting started. So this is just a testament to how powerful our free rewards program is. Now, how much can you really earn? Again, this is where we just talked about the 30 cents a month per user from ad rewards and influencers. I mean, there's no limit, because there are influencers that are making 6, even 7 figures, and some even making 8 figures on YouTube as content creators. Same on Twitch. So if you can invite top content creators who have large followings, and those content creators are putting their content on Webtalk and also bringing their followings, you can really make a substantial amount of money by bringing them over. So that's really, I think, your target and incentive for the rewards program is to try to bring as many top content creators as you can, or just invite as many people as you can in general, because it will trickle down if you earn the bonus. So referral rewards, our subscriptions max out right now at $40 a month. So that at 10%, that's $4 a month in potential commission per pro customer referral. Multiply that times 12, that's $48 a year. So you can earn up to $48 per year on any pro customer referrals. Now, limited opportunity is your referrals plus their referrals through 5 levels, and you earn the same commissions as you would as if you invited them yourself. So we just add them to your book of business. So your book of business, if you invite 10, but that trickles down to 100,000 because of the bonus, those just go into your personal book of business and they become your customers. So you earn the exact same commission, the same 10% across all of them in your book of business. So that's how simple and easy this is. Now, looking at referral rewards earning example, this is the big difference is if you invite 10, you get 30 cents a month, there's $3 a month versus 100,000 through 5 levels of referrals because of the trickle down. effect with the bonus, then you can make as much as 30,000 or more from the simple ad rewards. And that doesn't include subscriptions and marketplace, which we'll talk about later. Now, earning the early adopter bonus, there's two ways to earn it. You either become a pro customer or you refer a pro customer. There's no purchase necessary to earn the bonus. You can do it just by referring somebody to Webtalk who upgrades their account. But if you don't want to wait that long, you want to earn the bonus and you love the pro features and you're willing to be our customer from now and till forever, and you can upgrade for as little as $8 a month. Right now we're offering, if you join Webtalk in your first 30 days, you get 50% off for life on your pro subscription. So if you prepay for the year, and that takes our $200 a year subscription down to $100, which is about just over $8 a month. So it's very, very affordable for anybody who wants to upgrade to our pro features. And again, that is a fraction of the price of LinkedIn with a lot more functionality. And then of course you get this added bonus of, if you're a rewards member, getting the bonus through 5 degrees of referrals. So looking into our future, this is where we are right now. Last quarter, we launched our Discover search. We put out an upgraded web app just on the overall design and usability in the platform. We deployed video ads to help increase advertising revenue, which helps increase payouts. This quarter, we're aiming to launch our iPhone and Android apps, Messenger integration, Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, and Instagram integration, and profile version 2, which is the latest version of our universal profile. We've been also working hard on groups. I'm not sure if that's going to make the cut this quarter because we've been putting most of our time into profile and rewards, but if we can get to it, we will. If not, it will be in the first quarter of next year. And header bidding, which for those of you who don't know, that allows our advertising real estate to go up to auction and allow the highest bidder to bid on that ad space through different brokerage platforms. And that allows us to increase advertising revenue as well. So the more we increase advertising revenue, the more we could share with our members and the more you earn. And that's what our near-term focus is. But as you can see, we have a roadmap that will take us all the way through the end of next year. So again, just to reiterate, Webtalk is free. It will always be free. The rewards program is free to enroll. You can make money as a content creator. You can make money just by inviting people. You don't have to earn the bonus or purchase anything, to earn. This is 100% free. I just want to reiterate that as much as possible. So there is no gotcha. This is legitimately, here's an awesome free product. You can join for free. You can utilize it to manage all your relationships better for free. And we're sharing our revenue with you. And it gets even better. 10% of all of our profits go to charity. So our mission and why we built Webtalk was to help change the world for the better. We want to allow our members to have better relationships and allow those relationships to help you create more success in your life, whether it be happiness or careers or whatnot. But by giving you that control, and then by helping spread the word, you can create a passive income. And at the same time, you help us change the world through the Webtalk Foundation and giving 10% to charity. So very, very powerful. Now, I know you've all been waiting on the debut of the product, so let me jump right into it. So thank you for sitting through this. Now, I'm going to jump to the current profile so you can see kind of the before and after. This is what it looks like right now today. So you have your headline text with the location, following, followers. You can view your profile as, which here, this is the connect and follow buttons. You have edit, and edit just puts everything into an edit mode where you can change the opacity on your banner image. You can upload new images, reposition it so you can treat it like a website and customize it any way you want. You can do quick and simple edits in your About Me section. You can change the privacy on the widget right here. You can change the privacy on each individual experience item that's in here. And you can also drag and drop and organize them any way you want on your profile. So very, very powerful. You can even move the widgets around and you can lay out your profile any way you want that way. You can get professional recommendations or character recommendations. Again, this is to help you create more success. The more people that are vetted and recommend you on the platform, the more people are going to trust the data on your account and give you access to opportunities through our platform, whether it be new job opportunities, new business opportunities, any type of opportunity to make new friends. It's all here. Right. So you can add contact information. You can do a lot of different stuff. You also have your news feed. So everything that you've posted goes into a timeline on your profile, and everything that's in the timeline, again, you can like, comment, share on all of it. Photos is very, very similar to what you'd see with like an Instagram. Sorry, because I'm running video. And there we go. I got a lot of photos. So you can see kind of the layout of the photos. I can click on the photos that have multiple images and see the slideshow. And if there's videos, I can just click play and it'll play the video.
First of all, let me introduce to anybody that's listening to this call for the very first time.
All right. So you get the gist of this, and then here's videos. If you want to see videos, you just click on videos. Now, as of right now, you can share YouTube and Vimeo videos inside of your feed when you go to post an update, and they automatically will show up in your video gallery on your profile. If you don't want that, you can just remove them or take the video content from your profile just by deleting it or the video out of it. So here you can see kind of a gallery of all my videos. So if you ever do want to learn more after this call about Webtalk, just go to my profile and there's a ton of videos here. Our ABC News coverage, which is on here. We've got some other videos I produced. Here's an actual testimonial video, which is actually pretty powerful, that our members created on their own, and I shared it. It's pretty powerful. So you have to check that video out. Now, I'm going to go ahead and jump into the new profile. So when I do, I want you to take a good look at the way this looks right now, because everything's about to change. Now, the new profile is extremely new and improved. So the new profile gives you a bigger headline, puts your username up into the top, and you have full controls over this now. Now, when you go to edit your profile, you have a new slide out menu. In this new slide out menu, we are debuting several world's first functionalities, starting with the dual avatars. So now you're going to have a public avatar and you're going to have a personal avatar specifically for your personal network. Now, only people you've added into your personal network will see both avatars, and they're going to rotate like you see this rotating here. And you'll also see that when you're on your own profile. We're also adding in relationship status. So now you can put in a relationship status and you can choose which audiences can see this, whether it be a specific group of contacts or public or only you. You also can tag a user. And if they're not there, you can send out an invitation to connect with them. You can also now control your username directly from your profile. This, you have to go into settings currently to do this, and your affiliate dashboard. Now you can do that right here in your edit menu. This is another world's first feature, which is the profile landing page settings. Now you can control which contact group sees which page of your profile first. You'll be able to set your resume, which is recommended for professionals and job seekers, first to the public if you want, or for your news page first for bloggers and business is what we recommend. We recommend for models and artists to use your photos page first, and videos page for vloggers and entertainers. So again, these are the recommended pages for each one of these subgroups. And we tell you for personal, professional, and public, which page to default to first. And when you change that, it'll automatically put them either on your about page, on your timeline, photos, videos, or contacts, and based on what you choose. Now on your About Me page, we've now added a new slideshow. So this new slideshow, you can upload photos and videos right into your profile, and it'll allow you to, hold on. I might have to grab that link and repost it. Let's see here. There it is. Yep, so I got to play back error. I put in a dead link earlier. Anyhow, but yeah, you'll be able to put photos and videos right into your About Me, and you can put interested in tags. You can have all of your contact information. You can have, now you have addresses, phone numbers, websites, all of your social profiles, your experience. You can put in language. We've also added in, you've got education and recommendations, but we also added in licenses and certificates or certifications. So you can add all that into your profile. And again, you can still drag and drop and move it around any way you want to. Your timeline, again, is your newsfeed. We're just branding it as timeline now on your profile. Another thing that we're adding and introducing is SoundCloud links will now work in the new update. You'll be able to play music. All right, so as you can see, it works. And that was actually my cousin Kylie that was singing the song. So just check it out. I'll post some more. But her stage name is Kai Monroe. She's on Webtalk now if you want to connect with her. So as you will see here, we've got the video ads working, which help generate more ad revenue in the platform for us to share. And you also see some new widgets. So now our Who Viewed Your Profile widget actually comes with a chart. So you'll be able to look and see and compare your profile activity over time. And these count towards your views for points that go towards your ad rewards. So you can earn, and by the way, it's 9,000. This is the dev site. So the current month giveaway is 9,000 this month. Photos, again, very clean look and feel. You have all of your share functions. You've got your likes and comments, downloads, deletes, copy links, and you can share outside the web. Now, every one of these links has your user ID embedded into it. So when you share these links anywhere in the world or any application, whether it be text message, email, social media, it has your link embedded. So if somebody comes back to view an image or a video or a file that you shared through these links and they join because of that, you actually get referral credit. So it's all linked to your rewards account. Just remember that as you share links. Same thing with videos. And now you've got a new contact section. The new contact section allows you to search through contacts, see your followers, following, which easily can be accessed from clicking up here on followed or following. And we also broke out recommendations from the bottom of the About Me page. And we've added in some cool new features like the ability to rank if it's helpful or not. So getting into the view as, you can obviously toggle between different contact groups to see your profile as different users see you. So this is the brand new universal profile. And our hopes are that we will clean up whatever bugs are remaining and have them done this week. So that way we can launch on Monday. That will be, hold on, I don't know what day that is. Let me look at the actual date. That would be Monday, the 23rd. And then from there, we focus solely on the launch of our iOS and Android apps and working on launch of our rewards app. So let me go ahead and jump into the rewards app as well. So right now, if you go to your slide up menu, you can click on rewards, earn for engagement referrals. Well, this is just the MVP. We've been testing out all the different tools inside of here. So we've got how to get qualified. It's a 3-step process. It's pretty easy. All you got to do is complete your Webtalk profile, which you just saw. Once the About Me information is completed, then you get the first check mark. The next check mark is a simple and easy enrollment process. You just sign our affiliate agreement and you're off and running. Then you can link a payment account. Right now we have both Payoneer and Stripe in the United States, and outside the United States, we offer just Payoneer. But in the new rewards account, we are going to be offering payment via PayPal, so you can get paid via PayPal. So that is coming soon. Everything we just talked about is recapped here. How you earn ad rewards. Again, points are just a representation of ad views. So as you generate ad views, whether it's from your own daily usage and you're just consuming ads as you use Webtalk, or it's ads consumed on content that you've shared, those ad views will give you points, and those points redeem for cash every single month. So now we've got, the breakout of pro upgrades and ad rewards, but we do have our own self-serve advertising platform in the works, as well as our marketplace and travel platform. So we partnered with Priceline early this year, before the travel bans, and decided to hold off on launching that partnership with Priceline to offer hotel booking, flight booking, and car rentals. But as soon as things settle down and the travel restrictions lift, we'll be looking to relaunch Webtalk Travel powered by Priceline. So we've got a lot in store for the future on what we plan to sell. Marketplace is going to be very similar to like a Facebook marketplace, only you'll actually be able to do the transactions right on our platform. So moving to the get referrals, we try to make it very, very easy. You can send requests to people by email to connect with you on Webtalk. You can share your profile link and say, follow me on Webtalk. You even get landing page links. This one's a personalized landing page link specifically for inviting your friends, family, and colleagues, people who know you. It'll tell them that you specifically invited them. And if you're an actual affiliate, you have banner ads and you have non-personalized page, like for affiliate landing page for driving traffic through ads or marketing. So if you don't want people to know that you invited them, I would use this link right here, the join.webtalk.co link with your username, and the get.webtalk.co link is for people you know. So that's the difference between these two is, these are referral links and these are affiliate links. So if you're a professional marketer trying to bring in a lot of users to the platform, you're going to want to use the affiliate landing page links and banner ads. Now, the next big thing is dashboard. You're going to want to track to see, how much you're earning. It tells you last month how much you made, how much your estimated earnings are for this month. It breaks it down for you. And if you're, qualified for the bonus, so here's your ad pool rewards, and it'll actually show you who all those people are. And it breaks it down by level. So you plus your different levels, how much you've made based on the points that have been awarded. So in free money this month, it's $14 that's been made, and we're only, a couple weeks into the month. So, and how many people have upgraded this month so far in my network, and this is directly what I'm qualified, or how many have renewed on the total referral. So you can see all this information in your account. You also get to see what's in your pending balance, and if you've met your $100 threshold, you can see how to manage all of your payment accounts. They're all built into here, and also your past earnings. So you can see how much you've earned. So this is showing you how much you've earned and how much has actually been paid out, and tells you which accounts they've been paid out to. So this is Stripe. If there's ever been Payoneer, it'll show you via Payoneer. So it's very, very transparent, but it's not clean enough. We wanted to really improve it and make the experience great. So the new rewards app is actually very, very powerful. So I'm going to give you a sneak preview into that right now. So now the new rewards app, once it goes live, you'll get a little pop-up that says, welcome to the rewards program, where you'll earn for daily activity, posts, and content referrals. And this is what it's going to look like now on desktop. So from here, it's going to have your rewards enrollment kind of front and center, and tells you how much you've earned for the month here below. And then you'll be able to go through step by step, completing your profile. You go through right here without leaving. You fill in all your profile information, upload your photos, add a short bio. You can follow 10 people or invite people to complete your profile. You can put in all of your contact information. And then once you're done, you sign the agreement. And here's your agreement. You just, read the terms, you fill out your name, sign the agreement. And then from there, you can choose what to do next. You can say, okay, I want to invite my email contacts, and you can import them from Gmail. And then it'll give you all your email contacts. And then you move on. And if you want to earn the bonus automatically, you can upgrade on your own accord. Again, you get a free 7-day trial, so it doesn't cost you anything for 7 days. You can try it out. And then you also get 50% off for life if you upgrade in your first 30 days of joining Webtalk. So very, very attractive. But as soon as you do that, you also qualify instantly for the 5-level bonus, because your own upgrade as an affiliate counts towards your 1 sale qualifier to earn the bonus. So that 1 sale qualifier can either come from your own account or from an account that you've directly referred as an affiliate. So that's how that works. And then you can also invite all of your social contacts. So very, very simple. You can integrate and connect with your Twitter account, your Facebook account, your LinkedIn account, and even Slack if you have it, and go ahead and start sharing your links through those platforms. Now here, when you come into, I've got my, let me link the payment account. So once you go into link payment account, it tells you your rewards balance. You can manage all your payment methods, connect different accounts. So you'll see here, PayPal is already linked in the new account. Again, it'll show you all your transaction history on how much you've earned. I can go back now, and I can go back to the overview, and it'll tell me here on the overview, once I'm fully enrolled, how much I've earned from my daily activity points, my new member referral rewards, new pro customer rewards, new rewards member referrals, and also how much from the bonus specifically, if I'm eligible, how much I've earned from the bonus. Now, the tier structure is going to be built into this as well. And then here's all the different solutions of new revenue streams that we are planning to launch in the future. So all these things have, most of the tech is actually built for a lot of these. We just have to launch them one at a time to test them and make sure they're functioning properly, get each system stable before we launch the next one. And when it comes to revenue, we're not just launching a new service, we're launching a new service with an affiliate program. So we're actually testing 2 systems at one time with each new product, new revenue product. So these do take longer to build and test because of that, but they are, a lot of the tech is already pre-built in the back end. So we'll be launching them one by one. Now, the dashboard is pretty clean and simple. You can run through your stats. You can see your lifetime earnings. You can go month to month through your drop-down menu here. And you can see with the referral bonus, without the referral bonus, what your total earnings are. So you can see how big of an impact that bonus makes. And then right here, when you just mouse over each one of these on the 3 dots, it'll give you the breakdown of your rewards plus how much extra from the 5-level bonus. And then here you'll be able to, again, go lifetime based on level or all referrals for all different activities. So it does really, really break down a lot of the data for you, so you can analyze all the data and find out, where the most revenue is coming from, who's really the biggest drivers from your referral network, what the biggest drivers are, like what the money that's being made, like where the money's coming from and what to promote if you're really trying to turn this into a business. And we're also going to be launching a new Rewards Pro subscription, but while it's in beta, we're giving it away for free. So all the features that are going to be in the Rewards Pro subscription are going to be for free until we come out of beta. So it's going to be a limited access beta. So you'll be able to click that and it'll open up and allow you to see all the data during the limited free period. You'll also get charts that break down all of your recurring commissions. Now, this is something that has been needed pretty significantly from the recurring revenue side. So there's a lot of people that have referred pro customers, and because those customers are renewing on a monthly or annual basis, that amount of buildup, because they're recurring on those subscriptions, is not being shown to see how much you're actually making on a recurring basis. And with the new dashboard, you'll be able to see that. You'll also be able to see how many customers that you've referred that have dropped off, and that's called churn. You'll be able to see reactivations, active subscriptions, upgrades, downgrades, people that have gone from a $20 to a $40 a month package, or from a 40 to a 20. So you'll be able to see all of this and all the activity from your referral network, because this is your business. So we want to give you full transparency into this. And if you've earned the bonus, it will apply through 5 levels of referrals, again, because all those customers are your customers. So you get credit for all of them just because you started the chain reaction of referrals. So very, very powerful technology. And we're trying to get this launched by the end of the year. There is also a new bonus you'll see here: pending affiliate rewards, referral rewards, and affiliate referral rewards, which is the $5 when you refer new qualified affiliates. So every time you refer somebody who enrolls or who joins Webtalk and enrolls in the free rewards program, we automatically give you a pending $5 bonus. And that bonus gets paid out once they've received their first $100 commission check. So kind of like if you create a new bank account, if you hold a balance in the bank account for 90 days, then you get a kickback from the bank. So same thing here. As soon as somebody you referred has gotten their first commission check, you get your $5 bonus from referring an active affiliate. Right. So it's very, very powerful on how you make money. And that's a brand new bonus that's coming out with the new rewards program. So you've got a lot of new functionalities, new ways to make money, new ways to get paid, and on the new profile, new ways to showcase your talent, new ways to manage your relationships, state-of-the-art technology to, control your personal brands with custom landing pages on your profile. So we've got a lot of awesome technology coming out. The Get Referrals tab, again, it's much cleaner. Now it's separated by invite contacts. So you can invite your contacts by SMS and by email here, and by sharing links. So this is more of your warm referrals. Here's your content marketing, which is, share your profile and virtual resume link. You can syndicate and share your newsfeed posts, syndicate and share photos, videos, and files. So all of these things also are linked to your account. And then you have affiliate marketing. So here you have banner ads. So if you want to check out the banner ads, you just grab them and then click on this button to get copy your HTML. And then there's also rewards banners too. So you have both affiliate banners and rewards banners, but these are in the process of redesign. So you'll have new ones here. Oops, there it is. Okay. You also have downloadable social media templates. So if you want to run social media ads, we're actually giving you banners that you can place for stories, for your cover, for your profile, for image posts. So, we're giving you tons of different banners that you can use. And this is just examples, but you're going to have a gallery of all different banners for all different sites. So you can click through all of your social media sites and you'll have a list of different banners you can display on social media, in news posts, on profile headers and banners, in actual paid ads. If you want to do those, you'll have a ton of different content to help grow your referral affiliate business with Webtalk. You're also going to get a host of buttons like follow me on Webtalk, connect with me on Webtalk. Each one of these buttons has your referral link embedded into it. So if somebody joins when you post that to a website or blog, you'll get referral credit for those. Again, payments, we already covered this, but you do have your transaction history and more ways to get paid. We're going to be adding in TransferWise and Coinbase, and also a credits platform. So you'll be able to move your money from your rewards account to a Webtalk credits account, and then you can gift credits if you want as well. So you'll be able to give somebody credits to upgrade to Pro or buy advertisement or whatever they want to do with the credits. The 5-level bonus is going to be broken out to where you can see what you are. If you're, first tier, which is long gone. Tier 1 is from the very, very beginning, from early adopters. Tier 2, which is the tier B bonus, is what is technically active right now. And it's a little bit more than halfway full. And it'll be pretty close to being full based on the growth right now by the time we launch this back office. So if you're not a pro member or haven't referred one by the end of December, then I mean, it's going to be pretty close to missing out on the tier B bonus because there's only a 10,000 amount of maximum bonuses here. And then we go into the tier C bonus. So what this does, the difference between the two of these is that you get advertising and subscription revenue share, both from your personal referrals and through 5 levels, and all future rewards. But in tier C, you don't get the future rewards. You only get the current advertising and subscription rev share through 5 levels. Now, you'll get future rewards on your own personal referrals, but not through 5 levels. Now, the 5 level bonus for tier D is only going to include advertising. So you'll get subscription and pro and all of the other revenue streams from your direct referrals, just not on levels 2 through 5. You'll only be able to get ad rewards if you're in the tier D, the growth adopter. So as a super early adopter, you get everything from here on out through 5 levels. As the early adopter, you get advertising and subscriptions through 5 levels forever, and then you get the just advertising through 5 levels as a growth adopter. So the earlier you get in, the more attractive it is from an earnings perspective to get qualified and earn the bonus. Now, this is probably one of the biggest things that everybody needs to understand moving forward is that, you know, the early bird gets the worm. And this really does showcase that. All right, so the income calculators are now going to be easier, and there's going to be 2 of them. So when we go live with the new rewards app, you're actually going to have a ad rewards calculator. So all you have to do is select your region, and you'll be able to select how many content views that you're creating, which is also ad views. And based on those 2 things, and you're sliding this, it's going to put whatever your estimated annual ad rewards are going to be. And remember, you know, content views are both the content that you share that's being consumed by your followers. So if you don't have any followers and you're posting content, you're not going to get any views. So you have to build up your follower base, which you can, a lot of people can do that just by inviting everybody you know from other social platforms to follow you on Webtalk. And that'll help build up your followers on Webtalk. Also by posting good content on a consistent basis will help you get discovered through the Discover engine. So using hashtags and topics, you know, when people are searching through Discover, that'll help you build up followers if you're putting out good content. So it behooves you to, you know, really create a niche in a very specific topic, and that way people want to follow you. The referral rewards calculator is actually going to become also much easier. You just slide the bar. How many referrals can you invite? How many can they invite through 5 levels? What is the monthly average ad revenue? And we cap that at $3. So you can just slide it from 0 to 3. Monthly subscription revenue, I think we capped that at $5, even though it goes up to $40 a month. We're only estimating about a 2% conversion rate from everybody who actually upgrades. So I think we may even base it up a 5% conversion rate as the maximum. So you'll be able to go from basically a 0 to 5% conversion rate, which will put, you know, stop your maximum here, I think at $5. And then it tells you the 5 level bonus. This one is the 5 level bonus, that number, which is a multiplier. And then the other monthly revenue, again, this is tier A and B only. So this is another multiplier. So it'll add in additional cash. So very, very easy calculator to see how much you can earn. Here, I'll tell you your total of whatever these dollar amounts are up top, and then multiply by your numbers here, and then that multiplier here through 5 levels, basically. And then I'll tell you how many members that is, and then multiply this number by this number, and then times 10%. And that'll give you this number down here. So again, it's going to be very, very simple to really try to calculate your estimated earnings based on, you know, whatever scenario that you want to try to generate. But again, it's all up to you guys and how much you're inviting people, how often you're inviting them, how often they're using it, because if nobody's that you invite is using it, using Webtalk, then you're not going to make very much ad revenue and they're not going to be inviting other people. So it really does behoove you to get people who are going to use it as a social network for everything, for their personal life, for their professional life, for their business life. And once people start using it for those things and managing their personal brands in life, then that's when the money just starts flowing, because they're using it. Advertising is coming in front of them, and advertising is going in front of the people that follow them, and everybody just starts to make money. We make money, you make money, the system grows. So the whole concept behind this is we work together, we grow a community, and everybody wins. We win as a business, you win as a user, and charities win because 10% of our profits go to charity. So there's a win-win-win here all the way around. We're also adding in a new FAQ section on the right here that will be kind of alive, and you can tab through multiple FAQs. So you'll have the option to go through this, and all the most frequently asked questions that we have on our help desk right now are now going to be front and center in the rewards app. You also have settings to control all of your notifications. And also we're going to be putting together new progress reports that you can have sent out to you daily, weekly, monthly, or never. You'll have control over when you want to see your earnings reports and also all of your different push notifications. Now, there's also another new feature. We're adding a new video back office, and where you can actually share your own videos. You just put in a video title, you drop a YouTube or Vimeo link, and then you share the video. And once you've done that, it actually shows up to your entire downline. Everybody that you've invited and they've invited through 5 levels, if you've earned the bonus, will show up. It'll show up to them and they can see it. And then you can just get rid of it if you want to, just by Xing it out, just remove the video, keep the video, whatever you want to do. And then any corporate videos that we've posted will be in here. Corporate webinars will be in here. Any videos from your upline will be here. So just as you can post your downline, your upline can post to you and you can see those videos. So you'll have a lot of training and a lot of how-tos and a lot of great content to help you learn about Webtalk, and also will be there for when you invite people. There's also a new community forum. Now, again, this is a premium feature, so we're offering it for free for right now, but with when we go live with the new rewards app, but you're going to get a brand new news feed, and this news feed is going to reach your upline through 5 levels and your downline through 5 levels automatically. So they're automatically all following you in your posts when you post. But if you post anything here that is non-related to Webtalk questions about how to grow your rewards and affiliate business, if there's anything there and you get flagged, you automatically lose this privilege. This is 100% strictly for training only. So if there is anything outside of training that happens in here, I'm just letting everybody know now, there's a 0 tolerance policy here for spamming. So anybody that does spamming in here will be immediately eliminated from this service. So just be aware of that. Now there is going to be a full help desk still, as you know. Let me go back. You don't need that. And that help desk is always going to become available and be available. So the next big thing I want to do is I want to go ahead and do one round of questions before I move on. I see some Q&A here. Roberto, you got anything?
Can you hear me?
Yep, I can hear you now.
Cool. Yeah, we got a couple questions. Someone wanted to get it cleared up regarding the next tier for Webtalk rewards.
Mm-hmm.
How will you be able to earn on the 3rd tier again?
So once you get to tier C, you mean?
Yes.
Yeah, so tier C is the same as tier A or tier B. The only difference is that levels 2 through 5, if you earn the bonus, those levels won't include any future revenue streams. So like Webtalk Travel, Webtalk Marketplace, Webtalk Swag Store, all those things. So those are only limited through 5 levels. You'll still get those on your direct referrals, but not through 5 levels. So those items will be removed on tier C on levels 2 through 5. So-
Okay, awesome. So speaking about the swag store, somebody was asking about the swag store. When can we see the swag store?
So as everybody knows, we've been diligently working on a lot of different things, but the swag store is one of them. We've got a lot of the technology on the back end done, but we're looking to get the new rewards app done because the APIs are changing, and those APIs need to integrate into obviously the swag store so we can track the sales there and reward commissions. So we can technically launch the swag store pretty quickly, but we're not able to do the commissions yet. So if we did that, and it's been one of those things where we've been debating, do we just launch it and, not have commissions right away, or do we wait and until the APIs are done and make sure that we're paying commissions and everything? So maybe that could be a good poll question for everybody. Is just having the swag more important than the commissions? Or should we wait until the APIs are integrated so we can pay commissions? So, actually, I can do a poll question.
Yeah, that'd be a good one. That'd be a good one for a poll while I get the next question.
Let me actually. Well, I've got one poll already. I don't know how to add another poll. Hold on. Okay. Well, you know what? I think we'll have to wait to launch that poll. We'll do that after the next poll.
Okay, cool. Okay, we have another question. What is the final word with PayPal? Is that coming with Webtalk rewards, or when is that going to be integrated?
Yes. So there's PayPal times 2 coming. We have PayPal in the works right now to be added to purchase pro subscriptions. So not just using a credit card. And we also have PayPal getting integrated to the rewards platform to where you can get your commission checks through PayPal. Both are in the works right now. We do not have a timestamp on it for integrating PayPal with Pro. However, we are working to get PayPal integrated with rewards, and we're trying to get that out before the end of the year as of right now.
Okay, awesome. And we're gonna see the $5 referral bonus then too, right? With Webtalk rewards.
Yep, we will.
Here we have a question. Will we get the $5 referral bonus from all levels or just direct invitees?
We get the 5. Yeah, if you've qualified for the 5 level bonus, you'll get the $5 through all 5 levels.
Right. When one of the referrals has gotten their first deposit.
Yep, when they get their first deposit.
Awesome. Okay, we had a question, Rennie, asking what payment options are available for South Africa. That's Payoneer right now, right?
That is, yeah, Payoneer for getting payments via rewards, commissions.
Yeah, payment options for South Africa.
Yep, that's Payoneer.
Yep. Okay, and how are we looking for Arabic languages or Arabic language and other languages?
So to let the cat out of the bag, maybe a little premature, but we already have started the process for our Android app to launch next quarter, Q1 of 2021, to launch in over 70 languages.
Wow.
So, which includes Arabic.
Okay, and that's going to be for Android or
just Android? Yep.
Okay.
Yeah. So, the vast majority of our data showed Android usage is far more vast outside the United States. So we're really focusing just on translations in the new Android app.
Okay. Awesome. That's all we have for questions right now. I have someone asking, is there any plan to allow users to upgrade to Pro or Pro Platinum from back office earnings?
Yeah, that's going to be the credits platform.
Okay, can you talk a little bit about that?
Sure. So once we launch Webtalk credits, you'll be able to take your commissions and transfer them to credits. And then credits can be used either to purchase Pro, purchase advertising, or you can gift them to other members and they can purchase Pro or advertising. So once the credits platform goes live, you'll be able to do that.
Awesome. Okay, we have a charity question. Antonina wants to know, how will Webtalk donate to charity? Will they donate to a charity that's registered to Webtalk or registered on Webtalk, or how will that happen?
No, so if you go to give.webtalk.co, we break it all down there. So it's a little more sophisticated than that. We're breaking it down by where the profits are driven from by country. And then there's an application process. So if you go to give.webtalk.co, you'll be able to learn more.
Awesome. Thank you. Okay, I think that's I mean, Charles is asking, will there be more choices available for recommendations? But I'm not sure what the context. Will there be more choices available for recommendations?
For accommodation. Oh, for travel accommodations?
I don't know. I don't understand the context. Charles, can you give us some context on that? All right. Well, I think that's all that we got for questions right now.
All right. So there are still a number of participants in here right now. And for you all who have stuck through to this part of the webinar, I have a special treat for you. So I'm going to give you all a sneak preview of our mobile apps. Now, if everything goes well, cross your fingers and say a prayer, because we've been struggling to get it through to Apple and Google, but I think we're making progress. So if everything goes well, we could open up apps as early as middle of next month. So they'll be available before the holiday season. And right now, what I'm going to do is give you an actual live presentation. So let's see. If I can get this open. All right, can you see my screen?
Yep.
Perfect. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Webtalk iOS app. And the Android app will be very, very similar. So this is the profile. Again, click on the edit button here, and it slides out to edit your profile. All the same functionalities you just saw on our brand new profile are all here. So control your location, tagline. You can take them on or off your profile by just putting them to only me. Profile landing pages, control your username, relationship status, reposition banner. You can go into, hold on. We now have an editor. So you can go in and edit photos. You can crop photos. You can layer photos. You can draw on photos.
Nice.
Okay. And you can add text to photos. And you can download photos if you want to. So you can add customizations to your photos on your phone. I will not save that because this is live. So I'll go ahead and close that out. You can see here, recommendations, following and followers, news feed, photos and videos. Here's the About Me section, interested in, licenses, certificates, experience, recommendations. So you can see all this is your virtual resume, contact information, you name it, it's all here. So you have your news feed. So you can come through and scroll through all the items on here. I can click on them. I can navigate through them, double click to zoom, closes everything out, double click to come out, push on the like, and it allows me to navigate through all the emojis. Click comment and opens up somewhere in Instagram. So I can type whatever I want here, add photos, done. Hopefully I didn't just actually post that. But here's where it gets awesome. You can share to your messenger. So if I want to share to a specific contact, let's see if I can click on more. I can go Roberto. There you are. And, oh, because I'm plugged into my computer. That stinks. Yeah, it's not going to let me do it because I'm plugged into my computer. But you get the gist. So you can send it in private messages. You can share it to your feed. You can share it to Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Slack, and Messenger. Instagram is still in the works. We're trying to get that API integrated right now. You can copy the link. You can send it instantly to SMS. You can send it by email.
And all those have the referral ID on them?
Yep, they all have the referral ID in them. Every single one of them.
That's awesome.
And here's more. So if that's not enough, you can automatically go into the native device and you can share it even through here, through AirDrop, built-in text messages, all of your social apps here, Zoom, Messenger, Instagram here. So I can do it this way through Instagram. Yeah, so it's not letting me do it because I'm in the Zoom meeting with this. Can't multifunction, but click on the bottom left and here's the news feed. Every new post, I can do my channels. I can post publicly like a Twitter, professional like a LinkedIn, personal like a Facebook, custom, and I can grab from any one of my contact groups in my Rolodex. I can even mark a post as confidential. And by the way, if you didn't know this, when you join Webtalk, you actually sign an NDA with every other member when they join. So when they use this mark as confidential post, you are under NDA with that other user. So you can share right here instantly to your Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, and Slack accounts. You can add photos. I can do like a select photos. I know I got a bunch of stuff in here. Same thing in videos, but here you can add video links from Vimeo and YouTube. Native video is coming soon. You can upload files and it'll grab files from your phone. And you can even use Spotlight posts from here. So you have a real-time messaging now. So I can go through and go and add messages, recent search contacts, powerful messaging tool, contacts. Here's your virtual Rolodex. So you can search by the tags. All of your contact management data is in here. So I can edit the permissions in real time here. I can go through and edit contact information, edit their algorithms for news and for recommendations. So I can do a lot of different things here with controlling my relationships. Quick access by clicking the top menu that allows me to segregate professional contacts from personal contacts. And I can quickly grab friends and say done. And my list of friends shows up. So your right slide out menu, by the way, there's an Easter egg on the top left. If you click any of the titles of each page, it goes into dark mode. It's pretty cool. So we have a light and dark mode just by clicking the top left. Instant search, you click on search. You have advanced search filters by clicking on the filters icon. You've got what's trending, recent searches, so you can view more by going into discover. And anything here you can click on and navigate through. Double tap to zoom in. So very, very powerful functionality. Notifications, you've got all your menus now consolidated, your activities, your requests, and your rewards. So all rewards notifications are embedded now into one menu. Your rewards dashboard, again, same place. This is the old dashboard, but it's being applied to apps. But Get Referrals now has a new inviter, SMS invites. You just import all of your contacts from your phone, and in one click, you can start inviting everybody on your phone. And it's got your link already in the message. So it's pretty powerful. You've got your dashboard, your payments, all of it's built in. So easy to use. Same thing with find and invite contacts. It tells you right here. Pretty quick to show you how to make money with ad rewards, with residual commissions from Pro, and new revenue streams coming out. But all the ways to invite your contacts where you actually earn when you invite them. So very, very powerful. Again, showing your profile views, rewards, enrollment, who's viewed your profile. Here's your chart. It tracks everything. Right. And help and support will take you to the help desk. And that's it. So this is our new mobile app. And you'll see the exact same technology on Android, because we are launching both as early as the middle of next month. So tonight you've been able to see mobile apps. You've been able to see our new rewards app that's coming and our new profile slated for launch next week. So before I go tonight, I'm going to put out a poll and ask, what are you most excited about? The profile, the rewards app, or mobile apps? So the new poll is going live right now. Tell me what your thoughts are. This is cool. Watching it in real time. Can you see this, Roberto?
Oh, I can't, and I can't vote. It's not fair.
Oh, that's funny. Well, I'm looking at it right now. I don't know if I can share my screen because the poll is swinging pretty heavily on mobile apps right now. But I'm actually pretty surprised. The universal profile is higher than rewards app, which is pretty cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, so universal profile is 18%, rewards app is 16%, mobile apps are 66%.
Wow.
Yeah, so I'm excited about the mobile apps too, to be frank with everybody. This has been my obsession for the last 18, almost 2 years, 18 months, 2 years. So, you know, I'm super excited about that. I mean, everything's just amazing because our team's been doing such a great job. You know, and all of you have done such a great job. We've gotten such great feedback from all of you, and the data that we're able to, you know, collect from your experience to help us give you better products has really been the key here. So we're blessed to have amazing members that have just continued to help us grow. And, you know, I want to say thank you for that and look forward to some exciting weeks ahead. And I'm hoping and wishing you all happy and healthy holidays. You know, we've got Thanksgiving around the corner if you're in the United States, and there's a lot of other holidays around the world coming up. So wishing you all the best through the holiday season. and obviously wishing you much success with Webtalk and Webtalk rewards. So thank you all for joining tonight. Thank you, Roberto, for running questions for us. And I'll see you in Webtalk.
Thank you, RJ. Great presentation.
Thank you. You guys have a great night.
All right.